In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot CRM effectively for sales. We'll walk through a simple, repeatable approach you can start using right away. First, set up a clear sales pipeline. In HubSpot, go to Sales, then Deals, and create straightforward stages that mirror your real process. New lead, contacted, qualified, proposal sent, and closed won or closed lost. Keep the names intuitive so your team can instantly tell where each deal stands. Update deals every day. Clarity in the board leads to clarity in your actions and ultimately more closed revenue. Next, organize your people. Head to contacts and make sure each record includes essentials like email, phone, source, such as social, referral, or ads, and a status like hot, warm, or cold. Then segment with lists for leads, prospects, and clients. This keeps outreach focused and ensures you send the right message to the right group. For email, build a few reusable templates for introductions, follow-ups, and offers. Keep them concise, then personalize each send with tokens like hi/first name, and add a sentence that shows you know their context. Watch your open and click metrics to see what resonates and refine your copy over time. Follow-ups are where deals are won. Use tasks. So every interaction creates a next step with a due date. Make it a rule that no contact leaves your screen without a clear next action. Even a simple reminder to call in 2 days keeps momentum alive. Automate the repetitive pieces. In automation, then workflows, set up a flow so new leads receive a welcome email, a task is created, and the lead is assigned. You can also automate status updates based on activity to reduce manual work. Always test on a sample record before turning it on. Within each contact, log calls, add notes, and record meetings. This creates a reliable history, helps you avoid repeating questions, and lets any teammate pick up the conversation with full context. Keep notes short and action-oriented. Use reports to guide decisions, track conversion rate, deals won versus lost, and pipeline value. Look for patterns that reveal where leads drop off and adjust your messaging or timing at that stage. Prioritize high-quality leads by filtering for recently active contacts, email openers, and clickers. Work these first to shorten cycles and lift win rates. Tie it all together with a repeatable flow. A lead comes in, you add the contact, create the deal, send an intro, follow up on day 2 or 3, send the offer, and close. And through it all, keep it human. Even with automation, write naturally, personalize your outreach, and build trust before you ask for the sale.